At UAEThrive.com, we connect you with the best local experiences. Join us as we showcase DSDT Desert Safari Tours, Dubai's leading name for adventure, culture, and comfort. Why do travelers trust DSDT? It starts with safety. Their expert drivers and top-grade vehicles let you enjoy every second, from high-speed dune bashing to gentle off-road trails. Not seeking thrills? Discover the desert's quieter beauty on a camel ride at sunset, perfect for photos and unforgettable moments. The experience goes beyond adventure. At the camp, visitors can try henna art, meet falconers, and relax with music and dance that celebrate Dubai's heritage. As the sun sets, DSDT treats you to a traditional barbecue. Enjoy rich flavors, sparkling conversation, and live entertainment beneath the stars. With DSDT, there's a perfect tour for everyone. Choose from morning, evening, private, or group packages. DSDT matches your plans and your budget. Booking your desert safari is simple with UAEThrive.com. Browse, book in minutes, and receive all you need to plan a seamless experience. Ready to experience Dubai like never before? Trust UAEThrive.com and DSDT Desert Safari Tours for memories that last long after the sand has settled.